Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 7, Part A. These are the first four terms of a sequence, 11, 8, 5 and 2. Find the next term of this sequence. To find out the next term in this sequence, let us analyse the sequence. As the first step, we shall calculate the difference between the consecutive terms in this sequence. Looking at first two terms, 11 and 8. 11 minus 3 results in 8. Next two are 8 and 5, which also have a difference of 3. And at the end there are 5 and 2, which also have the same difference of 3. So by analysing all the given terms of sequences, we have seen that they have a common difference of 3. So next term in the sequence will also be at the same difference. So 2 minus 3 will be minus 1, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.